Is it really possible to make money when you're starting with nothing? Best-selling author and financial guru Robert Kiyosaki believes so. In his teachings, Kiyosaki provides proven strategies for generating wealth even if you have limited resources. In this comprehensive video, we will explore Kiyosaki's #1 strategy for making money from nothing. By developing financial intelligence, cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset, leveraging other people's money, and building your network, you can set yourself up for financial success. With persistence, calculated risk-taking, and creative problem-solving, you can overcome obstacles and start generating income. Kiyosaki's teachings debunk the myth that you need to be rich already to make money. By adopting the right mindset and following his advice, you can take control of your financial future. Develop financial intelligence. The foundation of Kiyosaki's teachings is developing financial intelligence. He believes the reason most people struggle financially is because they lack a proper understanding of how money works. In school, teachers and parents often teach us to study hard, get a steady paycheck, and rely on a guaranteed pension. But Kiyosaki argues that to really achieve financial freedom, we need to learn how to make our money work for us. This means becoming financially literate and familiarizing ourselves with concepts like cash flow, assets vs liabilities, investments and how they work, how to analyze financial statements, ways to invest in stocks, real estate, and other assets. Enhancing your financial intelligence allows you to make more informed decisions when it comes to growing your wealth. In today's financial markets, it's not enough to just work hard at a 9-5 job. To get ahead, we need to understand economic trends, personal finance tactics, and how to invest wisely. As Kiyosaki says, the only way to get rich quickly is to be financially educated. When we start with modest resources, continuous learning about markets and investment opportunities gives us the tools to overcome obstacles and generate sustainable income. Cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. In addition to financial intelligence, Kiyosaki emphasizes cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset. This means developing a particular way of thinking and approaching opportunities that enables you to maximize available resources. To make money from nothing, you need to think creatively, outside the box, and find alternative solutions using whatever limited resources you have. Kiyosaki says we should see failures and mistakes as part of the success process, especially when it comes to financial endeavors. Some keys to developing an entrepreneurial mindset include innovative thinking, approaching problems with innovative solutions, and a willingness to take risks. Opportunity recognition, continuously looking for potential business opportunities and gaps in the market. Persistence, not giving up easily in the face of challenges and limitations. Successful entrepreneurs are resilient. Resource optimization, maximizing the value of resources like time, money, skills, and relationships. Calculated risk-taking, being willing to leave your comfort zone and take risks, but in a strategic and thoughtful manner. This mindset is critical when starting a business or venture with limited resources. By embracing an entrepreneurial way of thinking, you're able to recognize opportunities, overcome challenges, and maximize your available resources to achieve financial success. Leverage other people's money. One of Kiyosaki's most emphasized strategies is leveraging other people's money, also known as OPM. This means using borrowed funds or other people's resources to invest and generate wealth. The benefit of leveraging OPM is that it allows you to tap into investment opportunities with less or no personal capital. It also spreads risk by allowing you to diversify your investment portfolio. OPM provides flexibility to pursue different projects, but Kiyosaki cautions that you still need to use debt wisely. Some ways to leverage OPM when starting with nothing include seeking investors or partners who can provide capital, exploring government grants and programs, negotiating vendor financing from suppliers, using credit cards strategically but cautiously, crowdfunding from a large pool of small investors, getting loans from banks, microlenders, or online lenders, renting instead of owning assets. The key is leveraging OPM in a way that amplifies your investment power but doesn't put you at undue financial risk. When used strategically, it allows you to raise money constantly and invest in assets that will generate even more cash flow. Build your network. Another critical component of Kiyosaki's advice is networking. He emphasizes that to be financially successful, you need to build relationships with people who can help guide and support you. Surrounding yourself with influential individuals provides opportunities you may not otherwise have access to. A strong network connects you to potential business partners, investors, mentors, and collaborators. It also gives you emotional and moral support during challenging times on your entrepreneurial journey. To build your network, Kiyosaki recommends joining business organizations, clubs, or associations to meet like-minded professionals, attending conferences and networking events related to your field, volunteering for causes you care about, speaking at events or teaching classes to showcase your expertise, helping others with no expectation of reward. This builds your reputation. Following up and maintaining connections. Relationships require ongoing nurturing. By developing your network, you gain access to more opportunities, capital, information, and resources. You're able to tap into other people's knowledge and experience to guide your financial decisions and ventures. Improve your negotiation skills. Finally, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of improving your negotiation skills. Whether it's negotiating a raise at your job, getting a better deal from vendors, or convincing investors to back your business, strong negotiation skills are invaluable. Some tips for improving negotiation include researching thoroughly so you have extensive knowledge to negotiate firmly, listening closely to understand the other party's priorities and constraints, developing win-win solutions where both parties benefit, starting high but leaving room to make concessions, finding creative ways to bridge differences and reach a deal, remaining calm, professional, and persistent at all times, walking away if you and the other party are too far apart. Great negotiators are able to achieve cost savings, enhance their income potential, build confidence, mitigate risks, and expand opportunities. By continuously practicing and honing your skills, you'll become a stronger negotiator capable of reaching your financial objectives. While making money from nothing may seem impossible, Robert Kiyosaki's teachings show that it is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. By developing financial intelligence, embracing an entrepreneurial spirit, leveraging OPM, building your network, and improving negotiation tactics, you can start generating income even with limited resources. Kiyosaki's advice provides a blueprint for taking control of your financial future. With hard work, persistence, and an eagerness to learn, anyone can overcome obstacles and work towards financial freedom. The journey requires taking risks and thinking creatively. But by following Kiyosaki's strategies, you maximize your chances of creating sustainable wealth over time. The key is staying motivated and believing you can prosper financially regardless of where you're starting from. With an abundance mindset and the right strategies, you can overcome challenges and make your money work for you. Kiyosaki shows that with the proper financial education, it's possible for anyone to achieve financial success and security. What is one strategy you have used to make money with limited resources? Share your story in the comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to stay updated on our latest investment advice.